Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by forcing a reboot. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to clear transient faults. While it restarts, remove any case and wipe the screen edges so pressure sensors can respond. Next, plug the phone into a computer with a USB cable to enable external control options. Once done, make sure USB debugging or file access prompts are accepted if visible. These immediate actions address simple software freezes and physical interference that commonly break touch responsiveness. Now shift to alternative input methods. Enable TalkBack, voice access, or similar accessibility features to control the UI hands-free. These give you gestures and voice commands to open settings. If that's unavailable, connect an OTG adapter and a USB mouse. Move, click, and open the options you need. You can also use ADB commands from a PC to toggle settings or install a remote control app. This is helpful when the screen is unresponsive, but the system still boots. Make sure permissions are granted so controls work. Finish by securing your data. Backup photos, contacts, and app data to cloud storage or to your PC before attempting destructive fixes. Once your backup is complete, perform a factory reset from settings or recovery mode if software causes persist. This removes corrupted drivers and misbehaving apps. If touch still fails after reset, the digitizer or connectors may be damaged. At that point, stop DIY disassembly unless trained, visit a repair shop, or contact the manufacturer for replacement parts or service. One tip: test with a replacement screen first if possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.